question, what does a name mean and have you ever stood up to it? So I knew this was the time I can break it. So I said my name stands for an act of courage or bravery, and to convince my parents from science background for a course generally said to be a science one was a true act of courage. So both the panelists burst out laughing, and then it was pretty chill. The first experience, the first time I got to know about IPM was with an ad of a YouTube channel whose logo was A in purple. It was Ace IPM, where Swapnil Bhaiya said कि भाई हम तुम्हारे पैसे लेके कहीं भागने वाले नहीं है. It was a very catchy advertisement, and that was the first time I explored about the course. So जो मैंने सोचा था, जो कैंपस वीडियोस देखे थे मोटिवेशन के लिए, सब वैसा का वैसा ही है. सबने देखे भाई. So I have been into dramatics as well. Both of us were a part of the street play team. तो IIT was
इन टोटलिटी कितने मॉक्स दिए होंगे, एनालाइज करने का क्या ट्रिक है, क्या तरीका है, क्योंकि बहुत बच्चे कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि एनालाइज कैसे करना है. So hello everyone, welcome to another edition of Topper Talks. आज हमारे साथ है शौर्य, and today we are going to have a fun chat about his experience, about his campus journey, about his preparation journey. So Shaurya, can you briefly introduce yourself?
Sure. So my name is Shaurya. I live in Malegaon, Maharashtra. I am a fresher, and my stream was science. My subjects were English, physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, and information technology.
All right. तो PCMB basically, right?
Yes.
So I mean, why IPM? क्योंकि usually ये एक thought process है कि commerce के students के लिए होता है IPM. So why? How did you get to know about IPM, and why did you choose to pursue it?
Exactly. So the thing was, just like many of the young students, I was confused in my 10th standard and in the plus 1, plus 2 as well. कि भाई करना क्या है? So I thought that maybe if I have science and plus maths and biology, so I can later choose to eliminate something or just keep something for backup. So I opted maths as well as bio so that I can work on both JEE as well as NEET. But I wasn't very sure about both the things. Somewhere around 12th I got to know about IPM, and as I explored about it, I just felt in love with it. I knew this was the thing and I have to work upon it. So I started preparing, and with time it just happened that I'm here and I'm very happy about it.
बहुत बढ़िया. तो अब तो आ गए हो और सुना है ड्रामा व्रामा भी हो रहा है, तो how has your campus experience actually been?
कैंपस एक्सपीरियंस इज सुपर ऑसम. मतलब जो मैंने सोचा था, जो कैंपस वीडियोस देखे थे मोटिवेशन के लिए, सब वैसा का वैसा ही है.
सबने देखे भाई.
सो आई हैव बीन इनटू ड्रामेटिक्स एज वेल. बोथ ऑफ अस वर अ पार्ट ऑफ द स्ट्रीट प्ले टीम. तो IIT वर्सेस IIM में हम जीत के आए अगेंस्ट IIT. दैट वाज अ सुपर फन एक्सपीरियंस. And further now we also are selected for the Mood Indigo, the IIT Bombay Fest, and we also to go to Mumbai. So it's just great to be here on the campus with all my batchmates, with all my seniors, and it is just great to be here.
Perfect. So about your IPMAT preparation journey, तो कैसे start करते थे, and if you can give us some brief about section wise QA, LR, VA, क्या preparation strategy रहती थी?
Sure. So as I said, I am from science background, so I was relatively comfortable with mathematics because of my JEE prep. So maths तो थोड़ा control में था, but although there were some of the topics जो 8, 9, 10 के थे, like profit and loss and XYZ, so those were a bit uncomfortable for me. So I was a full-time student, तो मैं directly स्वप्निल भैया के lectures देखता था. After my JEE classes in the morning, evening में स्वप्निल भैया के lectures देखता था, उनसे notes बनाता था, question solve करता था. LR also I was relatively comfortable, बस question solve करते गए and it just worked out. But VA was a thing which was a true pain for me. So I used to watch for Saksham Bhaiya's lectures every day. Then on our WhatsApp group, we used to get the editorial pages of 2 or 3 newspapers. I used to read those daily. I used to work upon the words which are new to me. I just started noting them. And every day I spent nearly 2 hours for this with my other preparation. And eventually, at the end of the day, I had sufficiently enough good score in vocab, and I was kind of comfortable with it as well.
तो editorial पढ़ लेते थे मतलब?
Yes, of course.
सही है. So in this entire experience, how did ACE IPM help you?
Sure. So for me, the first time I got to know about IPM was with an ad of a YouTube channel whose logo was A in purple. It was Ace IPM, where Swapnil Bhaiya said कि भाई हम तुम्हारे पैसे लेके कहीं भागने वाले नहीं है. It was a very catchy advertisement, and that was the first time I explored about the course. So as I saw, I got to know Ace is the best thing. I started preparing with them for nearly 6 months. I prepared for nearly 1 or 2 hours daily. And as the mock started, I used to give ACE mocks every day. Those were very difficult, and eventually those were the most important thing for me. मैं उनको एनालाइज करता था. मॉर्निंग में मॉक्स देता था, शाम में एनालाइज करता था, इवनिंग में प्रैक्टिस थ्रू द पोर्टल एंड द ऑफलाइन बुक्स व्हिच वी हैड. एंड इवेंचुअली एट द एंड ऑफ द डे इट वाज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी. मतलब जो हुआ इट वाज सुपर हेल्पफुल एंड सुपर कंफर्टेबल फॉर मी.
ऑल्सो यू आर अ फ्रेशर.
यस.
तो एक PCMB भी हो गया, ऊपर से जेई और ऊपर से बोर्ड्स और ऊपर से IPM, तो हाउ डिड यू मैनेज? तो क्या टाइम टेबल कैसा रहता था?
हाँ, so the thing was that as the boards started coming, तो वो बहुत difficult phase था because boards भी करना है, entrances भी आ रहे हैं, so I used to prepare for boards. और boards were major focus during that time, and other than it JEE NEET तब तक थोड़ा clear हो गया था कि IPM ही करना है, तो उसको थोड़ा सा sideline किया जा रहा था, but for IPM I dedicated that time for IPM completely, especially for vocab, तो वही करता था. And as my boards ended for the last 2 months, I nearly spent 10 to 12 hours with with the preparation. So either I used to do English, mostly I used to do verbal or LR, and then I used to work upon it. And when the mock started, I used to solve nearly 1 or 2 mocks every day to analyze them, and by the end of the day it just kept on going. So this was the process of operation.
सही है. तो मॉक्स इन टोटलिटी कितने मॉक्स दिए होंगे? एनालाइज करने का क्या ट्रिक है, क्या तरीका है? क्योंकि बहुत बच्चे कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि एनालाइज कैसे करना है.
Exactly.
तो उसकी ट्रिक क्या है?
So आई गेस जितने भी मॉक्स उस टाइम पे पोर्टल पे अपलोड हुए थे इस साल के, मैंने सारे दिए थे. अदर देन इट देयर वर अर्लियर मॉक्स एज वेल, जो लास्ट टाइम के नियरली 20% ऑफ दोस मॉक्स वर आल्सो डन बाय मी. तो वंस आई यूज्ड टू डू माय मॉक इन 2 hours इन द मॉर्निंग, आई यूज्ड टू सिट अप समवेयर अराउंड 10 फॉर द मॉक्स. 12:30 तक खाना खाता था. वंस माय लंच वाज डन, आई यूज्ड टू सिट टू एनालाइज. आई यूज्ड टू गो थ्रू ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन, आइदर राइट और रॉन्ग. If there's any better way in the solution, I could work upon it to save my time. Or if I'm missing something, I used to just note it, especially the vocab section. So if I'm missing something in vocab, I used to note that word down, note it in my dictionary. I already had the editorial wali thing. And by the end, I had nearly 700 words, 600 to 700 words collected in my notebook. And luckily 2 to 3 words from the paper also were from that list. So that was very useful for me.
सही है. तो ये तो हो गया एग्जाम. अब सेकंड कंपोनेंट पे आते हैं, दैट इज इंटरव्यू. तो इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन करते वक्त क्या चीज़ें दिमाग में चलती थी, कैसे उसके लिए तैयारी करी और एक्चुअल इंटरव्यू में कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था?
Yes, so when I started my interview preparation, मतलब इंदौर से आते ही पता चल गया था पोस्ट माई एग्जाम की कॉल आने का चांस तो है, so let's start working upon it. So I started. I had the earlier questions asked, previous year questions asked through ACE का portal. So I used to search on them. I used to study them. Especially I had the science questions. So be it PCMB. So all the 4 subjects I used to study: physics, chemistry, maths, biology. I used to revise the things which I had learned during my boards or JEE prep, and I used to just follow them. Then the interview preparation started. I used to give the mock interviews. I used to analyze them. And there were some special points in the feedback. You have to work upon this wise, so be it your speech or be it this kind of topic. So I used to work upon that, and that was very, very helpful for me. So that was very crucial.
So how was your actual interview experience?
Okay, so the thing was कि I was expected to go into the meeting room by 4:30, but 4:55 तक मुझे लिया ही नहीं. I was in the waiting room. I was anxious, and the moment I entered the room, they started bombarding with me questions from physics, chemistry, maths, bio. I was just trying to dodge them or get them through, and it was fine. But the thing was कि मेरा ice breaker नहीं हो रहा था. It was quite tense वाला वातावरण. So what they asked me a question: what does your name mean, and have you ever stood up to it? So I knew this was the time I can break it. So I said my name stands for an act of courage or bravery, and to convince my parents from science background for a course generally said to be a science one was a true act of courage. So both the panelists burst out laughing, and then it was pretty chill. Then they asked me some geography questions, and I knew that I had a fair chance post the interview as well.
सही है. तो ओवरऑल इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस भी अच्छा था. ऑल राइट. तो की लर्निंग फ्रॉम दिस इज कि रिजल्ट आने के बाद भी बहुत बच्चे ऐसे करते हैं कि जब तक रिजल्ट नहीं आते, दे डू नॉट स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर योर इंटरव्यू, राइट? तो अगर इफ यू लिटिल बिट भी कॉन्फिडेंट हो कि मेरा हो सकता है, तो प्लीज स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर इंटरव्यू, क्योंकि टाइम नहीं मिलता. आई थिंक 7 day मैक्स टाइम मिलता है, तो उसके लिए. ऑल राइट. सो फाइनल टिप्स जो नेक्स्ट ईयर एस्पिरेंट्स के लिए अगर हो तो?
I can just say one thing, that never ever give up. There are n number of possibilities, there are n number of outcomes. So just don't stop believing in yourself. Keep on working. It's never really over. For me also, I was confused. I was like, भाई अब कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, सब ही खराब हो रहा है. But then eventually I am just here, and that's the best feeling I could ever ask for.
So thank you so much, Shaurya, for joining us today. It was a pleasure interviewing you. So we'll meet you in another edition of Topper Talks. Tata, bye-bye. Thank you so much.
So now, how can we get you started? Go to aceipm.com. Over here, you will see the free counseling button. Click on that, enter your details, and a future senior of yours from IIM is going to give you a call, and you can get all your doubts clarified from them.